Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and I want to show you how this ladder has brought so much style to my home decor. If you're looking to decorate any section of your home, check out this 5-tier blanket ladder. This is made out of wood. It's very multifunctional. You can either place your towels, your blankets, or your scarves like I did. You're going to see that it has a smooth design which will help you to avoid splinters. It also has an anti-slip design on the top and the bottom, so it's not sliding or it won't scratch your floor or wall. This was super easy to assemble. The instructions are very easy to read and follow. This ladder for blankets makes an ideal gift for any special occasion like a wedding. This ladder is a perfect way for you to express your personal style and taste. I love how functional it is, how easy it is to assemble, and the great quality it has. This ladder is so functional that you're going to love having it in your home, and that's my point of view.